Now this is my sharpening corner, and I have a RIKON bench grinder on here. I have a 60 grit wheel over here, and I have a 120 grit wheel over here. I need to dress that up, and it actually does come with its own dressing wheel, so I can get to that right away. I don't freehand sharpen. I actually use a Wolverine grinding system where you can put these little jigs in here, and it puts your tools back up at the exact same place you had them before, because I want to save my tools as long as I can. I'm frugal. And also, I can replicate my grinds very easily by using this system. Hand sharpening to me is an art, but I don't think everybody can achieve it, so why not take the easy way out if the technology's there? The thing it's sitting on is actually, I repurposed an old TV stand so I could have a little storage and such. One thing I do keep under here, which is important to me, is a Beal buffing system. And these are wheels that you can mount to your lathe, and you can buff the wood and you're finished to get it really shiny, and then apply a carnauba wax finish at the end to make it look really pretty. Important thing when you have a system like this set up, you want to make sure you have adequate lighting. So I have these little architectural lamps all over, and you can see how it illuminates the area, and I can see what I'm doing a lot better. And speaking of lighting, in the shop it's super cool to help you when you finish your projects. Now this is the biggest difference you're going to see in our shop, and I'm not just talking about the RIKON bandsaw. This corner used to have my dust collector in here, so we could never show it on camera. It was just the junkiest, dirtiest area. But by moving it into the other building, now I open up a whole new area where we can work, and the shop feels much more open and it's easier to work in. But this bad boy right here is an 18-inch professional RIKON bandsaw, and what I love about it is it's got a big work area where you can put big pieces of wood on here, not worry about them tipping over. It even comes with its own LED light in here, so you can illuminate the blade while you're cutting and see those pencil lines that are on Coco Bolo or something like that that are hard to see. But the other thing is let me unhook this real quick right here, is I can I can cut very large diameter logs now on here and run them through this blade. This is 19 inches of resaw capability is what they call it, but I'm not resawing boards. I'm putting entire logs through here so I can start making bowl blanks, and that is incredible. It has a 4 horsepower motor, which is a killer motor. It has a key start, so if you want to lock it up to keep the kids away from it, they can't get it going. The other thing I like, it's a really great safety feature, is down here, is it has a foot brake, and you can stop this really quickly if you need to. In a shop this size,